Again, focus on facts, not opinion. Listen, I was kind of talking about that earlier of saying, staying true to the conversation of having a constructive conversation. So ensuring that every all the information that you're discussing is factual. I talked about it earlier. One of the favorite parts of my when I'm watching Law and Order is during the court scenes, because the judge always talks about, or I should say the judge, excuse me, the prosecutor may say, or the defendant may say, that's hearsay. And so sometimes we'll get caught up in hearsay conversations instead of the facts. What are the facts? I understand what they said, but what were the facts in that conversation? Bring evidence, or data, I should say, to support your points. Don't get caught up in that emotional roller coaster, because when you get caught up in that emotional roller coaster, then you lose sight of the data and the evidence. I'm telling you, family, I've watched this happen. I've done it.